Have you ever wondered why some people seem to skyrocket their earning potential while others stay stuck? What if I told you the difference often comes down to a handful of game-changing habits that can completely transform your financial future? Today, I'm going to share 7 powerful habits you can start building right now to rapidly grow your income. Whether you want to negotiate a higher salary, launch a profitable side hustle, or simply sharpen your productivity to earn more in less time. By the end of this video, you'll have practical steps you can implement immediately to break through your current income ceiling. Let's dive in. 1. Develop a clear financial vision. One of the most crucial steps to increasing your income is to get crystal clear on what success looks like for you. Without a vivid financial goal, it's like driving to a new destination without any directions. Frustrating and prone to wasted time. Start by defining exactly how much money you want to be making 6 months, 1 year, and 5 years from now. Write it down in specific numbers. For example, if you currently earn $50,000 a year, write down that you want to reach $70,000 in the next year. Give yourself a precise target. Then, consider why you want this amount. Is it to gain financial freedom, to travel more, to support your family, or to invest in new business ventures? When you attach a meaningful purpose to your income goals, you fuel your motivation and create an internal drive that helps you overcome obstacles. Next, break these big goals into smaller milestones. For instance, if your aim is an extra $20,000 a year, calculate how much that is per month, per week, or even per day. This breakdown helps you see what steps you need to take and keeps you aligned with your daily actions. Think of it as turning a big mountain into manageable hills. By having a clear plan and a compelling reason behind it, you'll find it much easier to stay focused, disciplined, and eager to do what it takes to increase your earnings. 2. Invest in continuous learning and skill building. If you want to grow your income, you need to grow your expertise. There's no way around it. The more specialized your skills, the more you can charge for them. Whether you work for someone else or run your own business, unique and high-demand skills will always command a higher price. Make it a habit to set aside dedicated time each week, maybe just 30 minutes a day, to learn something new that directly increases your earning potential. This could be taking an online course on digital marketing, learning coding skills, mastering a data analytics tool, or even practicing public speaking. Beyond formal courses, there's a world of free knowledge available through YouTube tutorials, podcasts, and ebooks. Schedule regular learning blocks into your calendar. During these blocks, focus solely on skill building. No distractions, no multitasking. Think of it like feeding your brain new tools and techniques that will help you stand out in a competitive marketplace. And don't forget to apply what you learn. Practice new skills on personal projects or volunteer for tasks at work that let you flex these new abilities. The fastest way to absorb new skills is to implement them in real-world scenarios. Master the art of negotiation. Negotiation is a powerful way to boost your income quickly. Yet so many people shy away from it, often because they're not sure how to do it effectively. Whether you're asking for a raise at your current job, closing deals with clients, or negotiating contracts for a side hustle, learning to confidently negotiate can give you an instant income jump. The key is preparation and practice. Before any negotiation, research salary or market rates so you know your worth. Gather evidence of your accomplishments or any tangible results you've achieved. Present these facts clearly, confidently, and calmly. When you're in the negotiation room, be it virtual or in person, listen intently to the other side. Ask questions to understand their needs. Negotiation isn't about just pushing your agenda. It's about finding a win-win situation. Use open-ended questions like, how can we structure this deal so that both of us benefit? Or, what would make this arrangement ideal for your team? Their responses will give you clues on how to frame your value. Finally, don't be afraid of silence. After you've made your ask, pause. Let the other side process it. Often, people talk themselves out of a better deal by filling silence with lesser offers. A little pause can be surprisingly powerful. 4. Launch or expand a side hustle. If you're serious about significantly increasing your income, consider starting a side hustle or expanding one you already have. A side hustle not only diversifies your income streams, but also builds a safety net. Plus, you get to explore your passions or talents outside your primary job. Think about your existing skills. Do you excel at writing, graphic design, photography, or web development? Perhaps you have a knack for sales or teaching. Any of these skills can be turned into a profitable side venture. Research platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even local community groups to find freelance gigs. Start small, maybe dedicating a few hours per week to test the waters and build a portfolio. Over time, refine your services based on client feedback and consider raising your rates as your skill set grows. If your schedule is tight, look for passive or semi-passive income opportunities. This could be creating and selling digital products like ebooks, photography presets, or online courses. The key is to get started. Often, the biggest barrier to a successful side hustle is simply taking that first step. Once you have a consistent side income, you can scale up by outsourcing parts of the work, automating certain tasks, or reinvesting profits back into your business to fuel growth. 5. Prioritize high-value tasks and time management. You can't increase your income if you're constantly drowning in low-priority tasks that eat up your time. That's why mastering time management and focusing on high-value tasks is a must. Begin each day by identifying your top 1 to 3 tasks that will have the greatest impact on your income. These might be tasks that directly bring in revenue, like reaching out to potential clients, refining a sales pitch, or creating a new product. Block out time for these tasks first, ideally when you have your highest energy levels. Next, delegate or eliminate low-priority tasks that don't contribute directly to your financial growth. This could include automating mundane chores with software, or hiring a virtual assistant for tasks like scheduling and data entry. The idea is to free up mental space to focus on the work that really moves the needle for your bottom line. Keep track of how you spend your time. A simple way is to set a timer for 25 minutes, the Pomodoro technique, and work intensely on a single task without distraction. When the timer goes off, take a short break, then rinse and repeat. This approach not only boosts your productivity, but also ensures consistent progress on tasks that matter. 6. Build and leverage a powerful network. No matter how skilled you are, your network often determines your net worth. Surrounding yourself with motivated, growth-oriented individuals can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and higher-paying roles. Seek out communities in your field of interest, online or offline, where you can connect with peers, mentors, and potential clients. Attend industry conferences, local meetups, or join relevant social media groups. When you meet new people, lead with genuine interest. Ask about their projects, their passions, and offer help if you can. Building trust and rapport naturally leads to strong professional relationships. Once you've connected, keep the lines of communication open. Send occasional updates about your projects or share helpful resources. Be someone who provides value, not someone who only asks for favors. Over time, these relationships become invaluable assets. You might get introduced to a key decision-maker at a company, land a high-paying client, or even form a partnership that 10x's your revenue. Also, Don't forget that your network can help you stay motivated and accountable. Seeing others win and sharing wins of your own fosters a culture of success that lifts everyone up. Seven, track progress and celebrate wins. Growing your income is a journey, and measuring your progress is essential to staying on track. Make it a habit to review your financial growth at least once a month. Check how much you earned, where that income came from, and whether you hit your milestones. Analyze what worked and what didn't. Did you successfully negotiate a higher fee with a client? Did your new side hustle surpass your expectations? Use these insights to adjust your strategies for the coming month. Equally important is celebrating your wins, no matter how small. If you set out to earn an extra $500 in a month and you achieved it, celebrate. Rewarding yourself creates positive reinforcement, making it more likely you'll repeat those success-driving habits. A small treat or a day off can work wonders for your motivation. It's also a great way to reflect on how far you've come. Remember, financial growth isn't always a straight line. There will be ups and downs, but as long as you track your progress and stay consistent, your income will trend upward over time. Those are your 7 powerful habits to rapidly grow your income. Remember, you don't have to perfect them all at once. Focus on building each habit step by step, clarifying your financial vision, committing to continuous learning, mastering negotiation, launching a side hustle, managing your time effectively, cultivating a robust network, and diligently tracking your progress. Over time, these habits will become second nature, and your income will reflect that transformation. Now, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which habit are you most excited to work on first? Let me know, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who wants to elevate their earning potential. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.